Convert ChatGPT to Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or PDF. Quick demo. You can export ChatGPT content as a Google Docs, a Microsoft Word file, or a PDF in one click. No manual copy-paste, no formatting issues. Here's how it works. You can export content in 3 ways. First, to export a single response. Select the button below that message. Only that response is exported as a document. Second, to export the entire conversation. Use the export option in the top right. All messages are included in one document. Even equations, tables, and images are exported correctly. Third, to export only selected messages. Enable selection. Choose the messages you want, then export. Only the selected messages appear in the document. You can also choose what to include. Only ChatGPT responses or user prompts with responses. By checking here. Canvas is supported too. Open your canvas, make edits if needed, then export from the same top right option. That's it. Your ChatGPT content becomes a professional document, Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or PDF.